What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to have a look at one of the Fifine Technology studio microphone. Now this model right here is going to be the FIFINE K683A. If you do not know who Fifine is, Fifine is a company that has been producing microphones for many years, and they do have a lot of experience in this market. As for myself, I've been a Fifine Technology customer for the past 4 or 5 years. I have been using their microphones for the past several years and I've been loving it. I have been using the Fifine Technology K669 for the past 4 years, and I've got to say that the microphone feels brand new, just like it was bought yesterday. Now I have not been mainly using this microphone for my YouTube channel, but I have been using it for Discord calls and sometimes for my YouTube videos. This budget microphone is going to be really great for those who would like to start a YouTube channel, either making makeup tutorials, gaming videos, podcasts, or even live streaming on Twitch. So the price of this microphone is going to be approximately $57. For $57, I think it's personally a pretty good starting price. There are many studio microphones out there that cost hundreds of dollars, especially those professional ones, so this is going to be considered a budget microphone. I do know that there are some budget microphones out there that cost about $20 to $30, but the problem about those microphones is that their build quality is not going to be great. They're going to be pretty horrible, and they're going to be made with plastic. Other than that, the sound quality is not going to be as good, and they're not going to be as durable as this one right here. Now let's check this out. This is going to be the Fifine K683A. I'll also link down below in the description where you guys can check out this microphone, which is a bundle that includes also a boom arm. But obviously you can also use the stand that comes with it if you would like to. So let's check out the packaging. In the front, of course, we do have the design of the microphone. It also comes with a free pop filter, free of charge, and a stand. We got the brand, understand your voice better, studio quality, articulations, and intelligibility. On the top right of the box, we do have some of the main features of this microphone, which we're going to talk about later in the video. Other than that, here on the bottom we do have a little note from Fifine Technology, and other than that, the box is pretty clean, very professionally made. I like that. The box does feel really nice quality. It does have a really heavy weight to it. Other than that, let's unbox the microphone. Slides really easily to the top of the box. So the first thing we'll see in the box is going to be their contact information. We also have their website and their Facebook page. Other than that, in the back we do have a thank you note from the company itself for purchasing their product. After that, we do have a user guide that shows you how to use the microphones itself. It's really simple. What I like about this microphone is that it is a plug and play microphone. You don't need to download any software. It doesn't come with any CD disc or any USB software that you have to install on your computer. Really simple to install and really simple to use. Now as you open the user guide, it shows you what's inside the box, and which we're going to unbox it later in the video really quick in a minute. And it shows you basically how to use the microphone. We got the volume knob, the mute button, we got the power cable, the pop filter. After that, we do have the microphone under. We got this that protects the microphone from being scratched while being shipped. Here is going to be the microphone itself, the Fifine K683A. It has like a matte black finish. The microphone itself is made of 100% metal, of aluminum, I believe. The grill right here is made of metal. The microphone itself is also made of metal. It has a very heavy weight to it. Really nice build quality, I've got to say. I really like the design itself. I like the color. Looks professional, feels professional, and it looks and feels very durable. So let's go through the microphone really quick. So here is going to be the front grill. This is where you're going to speak it directly to the microphone. On the back of the microphone, it's not going to really record any audio because it is a cardioid microphone. The advantage of a cardioid microphone is that if you're a gamer and you click on the keyboard a lot, it's not going to really record any of the tapping sound. We got the Fifine Technology brand logo on the top right here. We also have a volume knob that you can adjust. We have an LED. It can either be green or red. If it's green, it means that it is recording audio. If it's red, that means it is muted. We also have a mute button, which is probably the main selling point of this product. On the bottom of the microphone, this is where you're going to attach the cable. On the back of the microphone, we do have a headphone jack. All you have to do is simply plug in your microphone, and then you're good to go. You'll be able to hear your own voice. In the box, you'll have this little packaging. In this packaging right here, we are going to have some few accessories. So open it up, you are going to first have the power cable. Now this is going to be powered with either USB-C or USB-A, which allows you to plug into, let's say, your tablet, your Android phone, your PC, your laptop, or your MacBook, your PS4, your PS5, and many other devices. It does also come with a little adapter for your boom arm if you already have one. You don't necessarily need to use it, but if you do have that specific design required, you'll have this adapter right here. So this is going to be the stand that comes in the box for free. So the stand itself is really high quality too. It also made of real metal, it's not plastic, and we also have some rubber feet right there so that your microphone doesn't slide when you're putting on your desk. So the last thing that comes in the box is going to be the pop filter. The frame of the pop filter is going to be made of hard plastic, but the filter itself is going to be made of metal. So I really appreciate FIFINE for providing a free pop filter so that you don't need to purchase one yourself. But obviously, if you have another preference of another pop filter, obviously you can purchase the other one and just not use this one that is provided. It does feel really high quality, great material, and I don't think it's gonna break anytime soon. So we do have some little elastic right here. Very simple. So as I said, you're gonna speak in front of the microphone right here. The pop filter goes in the front. All you have to do is simply put the microphone in there and pull the two strings right here like that. And there we go. Here is the microphone itself with the pop filter. Looks pretty good. And then with this equipment, you can pop in the little stand that is provided, or you can put it on the boom arm that you have. So right now I'm going to do a microphone test of the FIFINE K683A. I'm going to first record the audio of this microphone versus the FIFINE K669, mainly on a computer for those who are going to use it for making gaming videos, podcasts, and music. I just want to say that the microphone tests are going to be a raw audio coming straight through the microphones itself. There's no editing, no tuning. So that being said, as good as the microphones are going to be, you will be able to improve the audio even better using any software that you have. So guys, this is the microphone test of the Fifine Technology K683A. This is how it's gonna sound like out of the box without any editing or post-processing. As good as it's gonna sound right now, you'll be able to tune the audio to make it sound even better if you plan to do any podcast, voice recordings, and instrumental recordings. I'm pretty sure that you can tell that the audios do sound very good. It does have some sort of a podcast vibe with some great punchy bass and clarity. This microphone is definitely comparative to some that cost over $100, such as the Blue Yeti microphone. And the volume that I'm currently recording off this microphone is approximately at 45%. And this is going to be the microphone test of the Fifine K669. Like I said, this is going to be a raw audio coming straight through the microphones itself, recorded around 45% volume. As I mentioned, this is going to be an even more affordable microphone than the Fifine K683A. Even though this has less features and also it's a few years old, it is still a very impressive microphone that is used by many new YouTubers. I've seen many YouTubers doing gaming, podcasts, and also recording music using this microphone, and it do sound still to this day very good. So guys, this was the microphone test, the Fifine K683A versus the Fifine K669. Personally, I do find that Fifine K683A do sound a little bit better. Other than that, what I like about this product is going to be the muting feature. With this little mute button, as you can see, it turns the LED into red, which means not recording any audio. As I tap it once again, it turns green, which means that we're not muted anymore. So for those interested instead of a more budget-friendly, way more affordable product such as the Fifine K669, I'll also link that below in the description. It costs, I believe, around between $33 to $35. And this model right here is gonna have 5 colorways. You got the red wine, the black, the silver, the green, and the blue. If you guys got any questions, comment below in this video. I'll link down below this microphone itself and also a second link for this microphone, including a boom arm for those who would like to get the boom arm. And finally, I'll link down below a third link for this microphone right here for those who don't have a huge budget at all. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys got any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell to not miss any videos, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Peace out. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.